In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken the Haitian way. First, you're gonna wash your chicken and take out all the fat, like so, and then put some sour orange, which we have here, the sour orange, and apple cider vinegar, and also some salt. So you're gonna let this soak for about 10 minutes. And in the meantime, you're gonna boil some water. Get the water here. You're gonna boil some water. Well, after it's soaked for about 10 minutes, you're gonna wash it like so. And then you're gonna pour some hot water. That's boiled water. And you're gonna leave it for about 2 minutes, and then you're gonna add those ingredients. You're gonna add well, onions until the end, and shallots until the end also. But right now you're gonna add this one, cloves. We'll call it GWAF. So I'm gonna be referring to this as GWAF from now. And we're gonna add some sour orange and tomato paste, some parsley, and garlic, about I'll say 3 cloves of garlic, and we're gonna add Maggi, and also some pepper. This one is a small pepper, but it's very, very, very spicy, very hot, and also some black pepper, and some bell pepper, and also some thyme. So this is just to season the meat. And in the next step, well, then you let it boil for about 25 minutes. Then you fry the meat, and then you make a sauce. So I'm gonna show you in the next part. I'm gonna show you the process of making the sauce. Thank you for watching. Now I'm done seasoning, putting all the seasoning in the chicken, and I'm gonna let it marinated for about 2 hours. But an hour which should be fine. But I'm not in a rush, so I'll let it marinated for 2 hours. So make sure you slice your meat open like this. That way the seasoning can go in there. Okay, so you slice them open. So I added some butter, about half of teaspoon of corn oil, or you can add olive oil. I added bell pepper, thyme, garlic, about 2 teaspoons of sour orange, and a pinch of salt. I added some black pepper, and the hot pepper also, the one from Jamaica. And I added the tomato paste. That way will give it a nice color as it's boiling. And also I added thyme in there, and I think I said butter already, and also some GWAF, which is I think I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's cloves, CLOVES. And this will conclude this video. So we're gonna let it marinate, like I said before, for about 2 hours. Thank you. After you boil the meat, you're gonna drain the water and put it aside like this. You're gonna put it aside, and then you're gonna fry it in the oil. So you don't want to keep the oil. You have to, after I fry it, this is the oil there. Put it on the side, and then put it on a separate plate. And I'm gonna add onions and some tomatoes. and shallots. Remember I said we're gonna add the onions and the shallots at the end to make the sauce. So there we go. And then we're gonna add the sauce. Okay, and on this one, since the sauce already has all the ingredients that you need, if you need to add a little bit more salt, you can do so. And this will conclude the video, how to make chicken the Haitian way. And the chicken looks yummy. Smells really good. And I'm cooking this with black rice and mushroom, and I used my leftover mushroom that I did the other rice with mushroom. So you know, I didn't throw away the mushroom. I reuse it again, so you can reuse it again, you know, and make another rice. And this one is the Julie John John, or rice with black mushroom. And this video will conclude how to make chicken the Haitian way with black rice. Thank you.